Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Crown by Des, and as you read by the title, we are doing another wig review video. This wig will be linked down below in the description box, as well as all the products that I used to achieve this look. Now, about this wig, I did get it off Amazon, and it came in a natural brown color. On the picture, it was given honey blonde brown, so that's why I ordered it. So I did not like that color. I wish I had a video to show y'all before, but it was kind of like spontaneous when I dyed it. So I did dye it this burgundy magenta color, and I'll have the color number in the description box as well. I did use a door, and I did the watercolor method to dye it. So just make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see how this wig came out. It's good so far. I still have it on, and I like it. I'm getting a lot of compliments on the color. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a million. Goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love goes on and on. You give me a feeling. All day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Alright guys, so we're coming up on the finished look of this style. This is the color that the hair dyed to. Being that the hair was brown, it wasn't able to take the color that the bottle suggested it would be, but I still like this color. It came out pretty good. I wish I would have recorded dyeing it, but like I said, I just did the watercolor method. And the door number, it will be linked down below in the description box, or I will have it across the screen. But yes, this is the finished look. I think it came out pretty cute. I did wand curl it and combed out the curls. So I think it came out pretty nice. As you guys could see, I did not have a hot comb, but I made it work with the wand curler, so it could lay as flat as it could be. Yes, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, turn on your post notifications so you could catch the next video, because I'm coming with the wig videos. And then I got some hair braiding videos coming soon as well. So yes, this is the final look. Thanks for watching.